Okay, I know I'm a little late on this video. Sorry, I actually haven't checked the YouTube in a while. Recently, well, someone asked for how it sounds when it turns on. So I drove it earlier. I think it should be cold now. So let's see. Since I had the manifold, my throttle body that I had on, that's the cold start sense. I have my windows up. Let's do another one. Let's do another one with the windows down. So that's it. You do hear a nice little definition into it. I have an exhaust system from Skunk to Racing also. It's the whole cat system that goes all the way underneath. Like I said, I have a manifold. Skunk 2 series manifold. I have a 66 millimeter throttle body. I just put in a V2 cold air intake and some DC sport headers, 4-2-1 setup, one pipe. Now I don't have my little hatch, so you're gonna have to bear with me while I open this. Ugh, sorry about that. Sorry. So that's what my car looks like right now. I haven't had an ECU yet. I haven't found the right one or whatever. But I got a really good sound with it. I had this in first, manifold, throttle body. Recently had this. I had a cold air intake from K&N. The Typhoon kit was a bit small. Was losing a lot of horsepower. But now I got this. I had a homie that works for them. So I got a hookup. I got this for $200. So yeah. And then about 2 weeks later, I found a guy who was selling this. It's a little, it's not beat up, but it's not bad. So let me go on and start it up for you guys. I'm gonna try to get a video of me driving it, so hopefully that will come soon. Here's the intake. Alright, well, thanks for watching.